Good morning, class. How are you? Hope you all are very much safe at your houses, at your places. And it's been very long time that you have made a very long distance from your studies and from your school. So I'm here to take you back to your studies, and we are going to restart your studies from today. And to restart your studies, I've taken the subject mathematics for you, and we are going to start with the very first chapter of your maths textbook, which is knowing our numbers. I hope you all are ready, so let's start. I'm going to start with a very short example of a story. Imagine there is a thief running, okay, and the police is running behind that thief. Now, the thief is carrying a bag full of money, and somehow this thief is got successful in escaping from the police, and he reaches his boss. While he reaches his boss asks him, how much money have you got in this bag? The thief is an illiterate person. He doesn't know how to count. So he said that around 10,000 rupees or around 1 lakh rupees. But this is when the thief is an Indian thief. Okay, if the thief is a foreigner, how would he say it? Sir, maybe I have got 1 million or I have got 100,000. Okay, he will give the figure like this. Now, when he is saying around and not giving the exact amount of money he has got, we call it estimation, that he is estimating the amount he has got in his bag. So when we don't give a particular figure or an exact figure to something or to the quantity of something, but a figure around that exact figure, it is called estimation. We say it na andaza lagana. So that andaza lagana is estimation, right? Okay, let's move on to the greatest and the smallest number. How do we form the greatest and the smallest number from the digits given to us? For example, you have a packet, and in that packet you have certain digits in it, and I ask you to form the greatest number using those digits. How will you do it? You don't have to do much for that. You just have to arrange those digits in descending order. That is, you will write the greatest digit first, and then you will end up with the lowest digit, and you will get the greatest number that we can form out of those digits. Okay, for example, I'll give you an example. Like, this is the bag. This is the bag, and there are 4 digits in it. 3, 4, 7, 1. And I ask you to form the greatest number using these digits. What will you do? First of all, you will arrange these digits in descending order. Right? That is, you will write the greatest digit out of these first, that is 7. Then you will write 4, then 3, then 1. And the number formed is 7,431, which is the greatest number which we can form using these digits. Fine. Now, if I ask you to form the smallest number using the same digits, what will you do? You will just arrange these digits in ascending order. That is, you will write the smallest digit out of these digits first and end up with the greatest digit out of these digits. Like, these are the numbers. You have to form the smallest number. So what you have to do? You have to arrange the digits in ascending order. First of all, we'll take the smallest digit, that is 1, then 3, then 4, then 7, and the number will be 1347, which will be the smallest number we can form using these digits. I hope it is clear to you all. Now moving on, we are going to start with the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. While we have started this video, I have given you the example of the thief. And I have mentioned over there that if the thief is an Indian, he would say, I have got 10,000 or I have got 1 lakh rupees. Okay, this is we call Indian system of numeration. And when I said that he must have been saying that I've got 1 million or I have got 100,000, then we say that this is the international system of numeration, that is, which is used worldwide internationally. Okay, we'll start with Indian system of numeration. What is Indian system of numeration? The way we write the digits is how we call the number. Okay, like the place value is very important while we are writing the numbers in Indian system of numeration. What is place value? You must have already studied some of them in your previous classes, like ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and so on. So we are going to do the same over here. This is Indian system of numeration. Okay, we'll start with ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay, now the next, these are the place values. Next important thing is to put the comma. Where should we put the comma while we write a number? So we put the comma according to the family. It is a method of placing the comma. What it is? This is the crore family, this is lakh family, this is 1,000 family, and all these three are placed in one family. Like we have a number over here. Now, how will we put the commas over here? 1, 2, 3 in one family. 1, 2, 3. We are going to put a comma over here. Then 1, 2. This is the 1,000 family. Next, we are going to put the comma over here. From here, 1, 2 and over here. Next is the lakh family. 1, 2. Again 1, 2 and over here. Got it? I hope it is clear to you, the Indian system of numeration. Next comes the international system of numeration. Here also the place values are very important, but they are different from the Indian system of numeration. We are going to start with ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. If this is the number, how will we put the commas? Again, we are going to apply the family rule. This is the 1,000 family, this is the million family, and this is the 1, 2, 3. We are keeping it in one family. So we are going to start from here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here. Then 1,000 family.